Welcome to Top Pro Digital Mixer tutorial. Today I'll be sharing how we want to load, save and copy the presets and the scene. So we can go into system here and you can see actually our current scene and our selected channels for the EQ and our FX1 and FX2. So we can save all this into the internal memory of this device and we can recall and load back at any time. So basically, to save the DSP, which is the EQ, gate and compressor, is very simple. You want to go to the particular channel to save the presets. You just, for example, let's say this channel 5 and we want to save this gate. Okay, so we just want to save this as to number 2. Save, and we just save our preset. So to load back is very easy. Let's say we go to channel 6 now and we go back to our gate and compressor. We just press load and select back the preset just now and press load. So here is it. So that's all for save and load for the presets. You also can copy the presets of this channel to another channel by this button. Just press copy. You can copy from channel 6 and then you need to select copy to channel 7. So you can see the blinking part, and once you're done, you just press copy. And now in channel 7 now, okay, you have the same presets. So if you want to save the whole scene, it's very simple. You just go to system here, make sure you want to save the scene here. So for example, we're gonna save this scene. Under the scene, you can rename you want. This is test. Enter, save, and done. So that's how you save the scene, and you can even record back the scene just now by, let's say I want to record back to my first AVEM scene. I need to go to load AVEM scene, press yes, and we load back the initial scene that we have saved into this console, and done. So that is how we want to load, save and copy our presets and scene. So that's all for today. I will see you again in the next episode. Bye bye.